So in this video, you'll learn how to add multiple clocks to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to go ahead and access the lock screen editor. Now you can do this by long pressing on your lock screen, entering in the PIN, password or pattern, and then this will bring you to editing mode. Or you can always just go ahead and navigate to the settings app on your phone. And then once you're in settings, you want to scroll and select lock screen, and then you want to tap on edit lock screen. From here, once you've used either method to navigate to the lock screen editor, what you're going to do is just tap on the current clock style that you're using. Next, once this pop-up appears, go to the section labeled style and swipe through the different options until you find the preview that looks like it has multiple clocks. Select it. You can see how it looks like at the top, so you can go ahead and go to font and color and customize the font, the boldness, as well as the color of the text. Once you're happy with the customizations that you've chosen, you can then just tap on an empty space so that you can add the other clocks. So from here, once you've tapped on an empty space, you should see this option, Add City, appearing. So go ahead and tap on it once, and then this globe will appear. So you can choose to either just to zoom out of the globe and then navigate to your preferred city, then go ahead and select it, or you can use the search function, and then you can search for the city, or just scroll through the list available and then select it. Once you've selected it, you're then going just to tap on Add, and then you can see the city appearing. If you want to remove it, whether you've accidentally selected it or you realize you don't need it, you can just tap on the city, tap on the minus icon, and then go through the process of adding the city again. So just ensure that you have fun choosing which cities that you want, and bear in mind that you can only add a maximum of 3 cities. So choose wisely so that you don't have any cities that are missing and you decide you actually want to add them. From here, once you've successfully added the other cities, you're just going to tap on Done to save the changes. And so now, whenever someone glances at the lock screen of your phone, they'll be able to see the multiple clocks that are currently listed there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.